Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick little video on my Cadillac CTS-V. This applies for all Cadillac CTS's and probably some other models, but all CTS's and including this just so happens to be a V. But yeah, what the problem was, I already fixed it. But my I went to start it up one day, and you know the memory seats and whatnot, they do the whole going and back to the seat memory seat position or whatever. But yeah, it started doing that. The wheel started coming forward. Then I heard a loud pop. I didn't see any bolts on the ground, but I found them once I dropped that little trim piece right here. Once I lowered that, they were both right there. I had two fall out. But yeah, this is just a little short video for people that may experience the same issue, because I think this is a pretty common issue on CTS's. I know it is on the V's. But yeah, those two bolts usually fall out, or maybe one of them falls out, and what happens is you'll have a lot of play and your telescoping steering wheel in and out won't work. Your up and down, like in my case, my up and down still work, just it wouldn't do anything when I go in and out. And you could also grab the wheel. I can't do it now because I done fixed it, but you could grab the wheel and it pull it in and out like it was just loose as heck. So yeah, that's how to fix this issue. So I guess we'll jump right into it. First things first, we gotta take that little lower piece off right there. So yeah, let me get up under there. It's 3 Phillips head screwdrivers. The only tools you'll need for this job is you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a Torx T30. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you found any of this information useful or helpful in any way, please smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos on the CTS and my WRX and SRT6 and RX8. So alright, now we're under the driver's side dash. As you can see, there's 2 T30s right here, Torx T30s at the back, and there's also one right here, and there's another one right there, which you can see. Let me move mine in. Oh, you can see it right there. And I had to move my steering column in and out because this pipe or this bar is in the way. But yeah, as you can see, that little black piece right there, you got to make sure to get that inside that little metal recess because that is a limited stop. So what you'll do is you'll slide it all the way forward and bring your metal carrier where your 2 bolts are. You'll bring that all the way back and slide that plastic piece forward, and you'll take both of these bolts out if they're not already out. Mine were both loose and fell out, so that's why I had that issue. But then you can push up on this whole assembly, and yeah, you can bring that metal carrier over the top of that black piece and let it sit on that. Then you can lay it down onto that black piece of fork right there. So you'll pretty much push this metal carrier up once it's clear of that metal black piece, and then you'll push it up. Either you can push it up right here, or you can push it up right here by this assembly, and then you will slide that little the little plastic black piece into place, and then you'll rest this. Then you'll start to lower this assembly or this little carrier right here. Once you got that in place, then you can tighten those 2 T30s up, and yeah, it should be good to go. And yeah, let me get out from up under here. Now to put this portion back on is pretty much reverse process. First thing I'm going to do, it's going to be really hard to do one-handed, but we'll probably go ahead and put our light back in. All we got to do is simply put it back in, lock it in, and twist. There we go. So as you can see, it's nice and locked in. Now we will put this piece back up in there. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure I get it on those studs. We'll start on this far side. You can see, push it onto that stud. The same thing on this side. Just push it onto that stud. There we go. Now we'll put the 3 Phillips head screws in right here. They'll be located. Oh, there's one. Oh, come on. Right there. And then one closer to the passenger side right here. And then one close to the door right here. So let me put those 3 in, and that'll be it. Alright, thank you for watching, and please smash that like button and hit that subscribe to stay up to date on future content. You'll be seeing more content on my CTS and my SRT as well as my WRX. And I got another special car coming to the channel very soon. And there's actually a funny story behind the car, this new car that I bought. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.